Oh yeah, Tuesday. Hope everybody's having an awesome day so far. This is going to be a great week. You got to make it a great week. So get up, get moving, have some fun, and you will feel so much better. More confidence, more energy, more focus, and just live better, feel better lives all the way around. So today, I'm Coach Skip. I've got your Burn at Home workout. We're going to get into a warm-up where we're going 3 rounds of 30 vertical jumps, 15 good mornings, 10 calf raises, and 5 down up dog stretch. So 3 rounds starting with those 30 vertical jumps. That vertical jump is just like a jump rope simulation. So spin your hands at the sides. If you want to make it a little bit more intense, do a little bit more of a double under with a higher jump and a double spin of the wrist. If you need to make it a little bit easier, then just do a kind of a small step here, a standing march, just enough to get the arms and legs moving together, get that heart rate up a little bit. After your 30 vertical jumps, you've got 15 good mornings. So bend at the waist, really get that good stretch in the hamstrings, pull those shoulders back, and then as you come up, really squeeze that butt at the top so you're getting something out of it in both directions. If you really need something to hold on to for a little balance here, this will help you get a little bit lower and make sure you're not tipping over in front. So after the 15 good mornings, you're going to be doing 10 calf raises. Calf raise is real simple. You're going up on your toes and back on your heels and just going back and forth here, really getting that good stretch in the calves, especially after all those vertical jumps. This is just going to be a good one to get the legs loosened up. And finally, 5 down up dog stretch. So getting into that down dog position, really pushing that head through the windows, bicycle the feet so you can get those heels to the ground, and then into the up dog stretch and push those hips into the ground, get that chest up, and just right back and forth here. If you need to do this from more of a platform, same thing. Get that down dog stretch into the up dog stretch here. Back and forth, nice and easy. So use that last one as a stretch, then pick up the intensity when you start that next round of the workout. So 3 rounds, 30 vertical jumps, 15 good mornings, 10 calf raises, and 5 down up dog stretch. Then we've got a skill today. We're going to be doing 1 minute of max effort sit-ups. So as many sit-ups as you can do in 1 minute. So get ready for this. Grab a watch or a timer. Make sure you're going as fast as possible in that minute. On the sit-up, you're going right down, either butterfly those feet or put them right out in front of you. If you want someone to hold your ankles, or put them, like tuck them under the couch so you've got a little bit more stability there, that's totally okay. You're going all the way back, touching those shoulders, and throw those arms forward as you come up and really get that full range of motion every time. Really keep your butt pressed into the floor. We don't want to see that kipping where you're bringing your butt up every time, and that's just going to help control the stability of your core with each exercise. On this, if you need to hold on to something for a little bit of momentum to help you get up there, grab a 3 to 5 pound weight, a can of soup, a water bottle, just something to throw forward that'll help you get all the way up to the top if you find you're not able to get that full range of motion. You can also do this from a sitting position where you're just bringing your knees into your chest and going straight out again. So same kind of sit-up motion there for those sit-ups. So after your 1 minute of sit-ups, take a little rest, a minute or so, grab a sip of water, do any other stretching you need to. And then for the workout today, we're going to be doing 5 rounds for time. So you're going to go as fast as possible through each round. Make sure you mark something as you're counting your reps and counting your rounds. Sometimes it gets a little bit confusing. So make sure you're actually doing 5 rounds instead of missing one or doing too many. We are going to put about a 15-minute cap or so on this too. So if you find it's taking you much longer than that, then bring it back a little bit or cut it off. Like the whole point is to be able to get this in about 30 to 35 minutes. For the 5 rounds, we're going to be doing 25 air squats, 20 flutter kicks, 15 glute bridges, and 10 push-ups. So starting with the air squats, feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. Push those hips back and down and keep that chest up every single time. And find a pace and a rhythm here as you get into it. Really get that good range of motion. The lower you're going, the more we're recruiting the glutes and the hamstrings, and that's what we're really looking to build up here too. If you need to use a bench to sit down and stand up, or a chair, anything like that, that's totally fine. Just make sure you're pushing your hips back and down and standing up, driving through those heels each time. Or grab onto something, hold on to a door jamb, just something solid, and this will just decrease the resistance. Just make sure you let go as soon as you can as you're coming up here. If you need to hold on the whole time, that's fine, but if you can let go at about, part way up, then that's the more you can get out of this, the more you're gonna get out of this. So after the 25 air squats, we've got 20 flutter kicks. So flat on your back, kick those feet, and right plus left equals 1 on all these. Make sure you're pointing your toes, and just a small flutter the entire time. If you need to stabilize those hips, put your hands underneath your butt, and that'll help there for that same flutter kick. And using it from a sitting position, you can do the same thing, and this will keep you from having to get up and down off the floor. We'd rather have you get down there, but if you need to do it here, again, the best range of motion is what you've got today. Tomorrow, it'll get a little bit better. After the 20 flutter kicks, we've got 15 glute bridges. So you're going to have your feet tucked up underneath your butt here, push those hips into the air, and then right back down. And keep that good motion, really squeeze that butt and that lower back every time. We're getting you ready for bathing suit season here. So if you need to do this from a sitting position, same thing. Just get off that bench and push those hips up into the air. Really squeeze your butt every time. The final exercise is push-ups. Now, you know push-ups by now, but have your hands right underneath your shoulders, going all the way down, touching that chest. Drive away, get that full extension every time on those push-ups. If you need to go from your knees, that's okay. Just right in here. Make sure you start flat on the ground and push away instead of starting up high and not getting quite all the way to the ground. If you need to worm your way up a little bit here where you're peeling up to the knees, that's okay. I'd rather have you keep the torso straight, but whatever you need to do to get that full range of motion. And of course, using the platform from a kneeling position, right down and right up. The higher the platform, the less the resistance. If you're doing this from standing, you can even go like against the countertop, and that'll help that movement. So 5 rounds for time, 25 air squats, 20 flutter kicks, 15 glute bridges, and 10 push-ups. Go as fast as possible. Really get a good sweat going during this workout. It's a great workout for that. Have fun with it. Share it with somebody that you know and love that needs to get in shape and wants to get their body right and body fit. And if you need any help, we're always here for you. You can call, you can email, post on the comment section. We're happy to help. So thanks a lot, guys. Have fun with this one. Coach Skip signing off, and I will see you tomorrow. Make it a great day today.